mix food colors in oil, they will not mix. If we pour this mixture into water, the the oil will stay at the top and the water will stay down because the water has more density than the oil, but the food colors will come down into the water because they will not mix in the oil. It looks like fireworks, so the experiment name is water fireworks. So we will start the experiment. I took 10 ml of oil in a beaker and poured into a cup. So I took 3 food colors, red, blue and yellow. I am adding each 3 to 4 drops. 2, set. Three. Now red color. 1, 3. So now we'll mix this with the stirring stick, but they will not mix. See? So now we will take a test tube or a tall glass with some water, and now we will pour this oil into this water. So we'll mix it. So you can see that slowly the colors are coming down like fireworks. It's looking good, right? You can see that the oil is not mixing in the water as the water has more density, but the colors are going down into the water. Thank you. Subscribe, like to our channel, get the info. Thank you.